So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Friday the 3rd of August. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had price come back down towards test this 12.14.26, brief bullish bounce, failure at that rally. We didn't see a rally back up towards the 12.20, and we've seen this subsequent continuation here. Just waiting for my pen to work there. Continuation here, so we are looking for a test of that 1204.69. so we came within a couple of cents actually, I think. Let's see how our lows are. Our lows are in around at 1205.18, so we came within a couple of cents of that 1204.69. So looking for a test of 1204.69 to see if we do see a bullish bounce back up towards that 1214.26. Overall, though, the trend has been to the downside. So if we do fail to see a counter trend move up towards that 1214.26, break and hold, and a move up towards that 1220, if we do see the further continuation to the downside here and not a counter trend move, we are looking for prices to target potentially that 1200 level, like a psychological level here on the XAUUSD. And if we do fail that, if momentum takes us through the 1200 level, might see a retest to see if it does hold as a resistance. But if we do see the breakdown from the 1200, the very next level of note here to the downside would be a move down towards that 1180 here on the XAUUSD. If we are to see the further sell side momentum continuation beyond the 1200. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily charts to see how prices are developing here on the XAUUSD. Get the scale on here correct, and as we can see, we've been in a downtrend for quite some time now. Well, since breaking out of our range here in well, let's say April, start of May, since breaking out, retested, held as a resistance. We've seen the subsequent sell-off from that 1305. We don't see anything which indicates, from a daily chart perspective, anything which indicates prices have stalled and are likely to counter trend at present. We've got a pretty strong close to yesterday's candle, closing near the very lows, and so far today, move to the upside has been rejected. So possibly looking for further downside momentum continuation here on the XAUUSD. Well, it does seem oversold. I would have expected a bounce before this, but if we do see this continuation, mention levels that we are looking at here to the downside, possibly if we don't hold support at the 1200, just to further emphasize it, looking for a move down towards possibly that 1180. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.